Hi student, in previous lecture we discussed the microcontroller. Microcontroller, it is nothing but a complete microprocessor system which having limited amount of RAM, limited amount of ROM and perform input output port, that is called as microcontroller. It is complete microprocessor system which having limited amount of RAM, limited amount of ROM built in a single IC which having the limited input output port. That is called as a microcontroller. In previous lecture we discussed that what is the difference between microcontroller and microprocessor. Microprocessor, it is a costly, but microcontroller is a cheaper. Microcontroller can be used in different toys, but microprocessor cannot be used such instrument or such product. Cost of the microcontroller is low as compared to the microprocessor. The microprocessor can be used in a different computer or the personal computer, but microcontroller can be used in a intelligent products. That is the main difference between the microprocessor and microcontroller that we can be discussed in a previous lecture. Today we discuss that the microcontroller 8051, which is in our the syllabus. Features of 8051 microcontroller. In this chapter we discuss the different features like the different microcontroller like 8048, 49, 50, 51 and 52. In this chapter we discuss only the introduction of that the microcontroller. We discuss the features of 8048, 49 and 50. In today's lecture we discuss what is the main feature of 8051 microcontroller. That is the features of the 8051 microcontroller. 8051 microcontroller can be introduced by the Intel company. So series is started from the 8051. This microcontroller having the 8-bit ALU unit. ALU means arithmetic logic unit. This microcontroller having the 8-bit ALU unit, we can be perform 8-bit operation on that the microcontroller 8051. Next one, this microcontroller having internal ROM 4 kilobyte. In board examination there will be the question will be asked, filling the blanks question, dash dash byte internal ROM allocate to the microcontroller 8051. That is the best feature of the 8051 microcontroller. The answer will be the 4 kilobyte. 4 kilobyte internal RAM or the EPROM can be allocated to the 8051 microcontroller. Next one, in next point, that is the programming model of 8051. We detail that how it is a 4 kilobyte internal RAM, how the program memory can be divided into 64 kilobyte, how the data memory can be divided into 64 kilobyte. In a next lecture we discuss all that the point. But remember that here 4 kilobyte internal ROM, because this ROM can be built in that the ICs, integrated circuit. Next one, this microcontroller having 128 byte, not a kilobyte. Here just 128 byte RAM can be allocated to the 8051 microcontroller. And here ROM and RAM. ROM it is called as a program memory and RAM is called as a data memory. So remember that here not a kilobyte or not a GB. Here only 128 byte internal RAM allocate to that the 8051 microcontroller. Okay. Next fourth one, this microcontroller having 64-bit timer event counter, dual purpose timer event counter. 60-bit timer event counter is allocated to the 8051 microcontroller. Next one, fifth one, this microcontroller having 32-bit or 32 lines input output units. We provide 884 groups, that is the 32 input output lines provided to the 8051 microcontroller. Sixth one, this microcontroller all the programming this microcontroller memory can be divided into program memory and data memory. Whole memory of that the microcontroller divided into some is a program memory and some is a data memory. These two features is about that these memories. In this microcontroller, 64 kilobyte is a program memory, that is a ROM, and 64 kilobyte data memory, that is a RAM. Whole memory divided into two sections. One is a program memory and second is a data memory. Program memory is also the 64 kilobyte and data memory is also the 64 kilobyte. And from that the 64 kilobyte program memory, only 4 kilobyte internal ROM allocated to that the integrated circuit, that is a ICs. Next one, this microcontroller having 111 instruction set. In second chapter, instruction set and programming with 8085 microprocessor, there we discuss the number of instructions. Instruction, it is nothing but the command which is given to perform different operation on that the microprocessor. Near about the 100 instruction we can be studying in that the chapter. To perform the different operation on that the 8051 microcontroller, there is a 111 instruction sets. From that we can be used or perform different ALU operations. And next one, this microcontroller is a full-featured serial port. This microcontroller having full-featured serial port allocated to the 8051 microcontroller. This microcontroller, next, there is a 2 interrupt signals is also allocated to that the microcontroller. That is also the features of the 8051 microcontroller. In board examination, there will be, this is internal, about the internal ROM question, filling the blanks. Next one, 120 byte internal RAM. Here is also questions on the filling the blanks. 111 instructions. Dash instruction is allocated to 8051 microcontroller. That is 111 instruction allocated to the 8051 microcontroller. Next, this one also the two filling blanks questions. Dash is a memory, program memory in 8051 microcontroller, 64 kilobyte program memory. Dash is a data memory allocated to the 8051 microcontroller. There is also 64 kilobyte data memory allocated to that the microcontroller. Also, on this the point, there is a 4-mark question can be asked. Give the features of the 8051 microcontroller. If there is a 4-mark question, then you can be give the 8 features of the 8051 microcontroller. This question or on that the point or these features of the 8051 microcontroller, when we write the appropriate features, we got the 4 marks. Out of marks can be we got in this the point, that is the features of the 8051. And totally our chapter is based on the 8051 microcontroller. Next point is a programming model of 8051 microcontroller. Next we study in a next lecture. This point will be studied in a next lecture. Write down in a notebook, that is question what is the features of the 8051 microcontroller, or give any 8 features of the 8051 microcontroller for a 4 marks. Okay.